Jimmy's still an average kid.
This message was transmitted at the request of the United States government agency. We have received a message that an unknown individual named Unikitty can be seen roaming and attacking around the city of Chicago. However, we don't know where this individual came from. But it's confirmed this individual is attacking and has already killed about hundreds of people living in Chicago. Please stand by for further more updates. This message was transmitted at the request by the United States government agency. As of 1:15 p.m., Unikitty is now attacking the whole city of Fort Wayne and is soon heading to other parts of Indiana. In Fort Wayne, she killed almost 1,000 people by using her fire-breathing powers by turning into anger mode. At this time, all residents of Indiana should stay indoors and should also take extreme caution for any other dangerous activities. All residents should also avoid outdoor activities and seek shelter until further notice. Thanks for your cooperation.
Welcome to BBC News. Today's breaking news is that we have lots of reports that all residents of Indiana and Illinois have been saying something about this unknown individual claiming to be Unikitty is attacking the whole city of Fort Wayne. She has killed over 1,000 people and is later heading to other parts of Indiana. Right now, we urge all residents to find a secure shelter and to lock all doors and windows until further notice. If you can find a secure shelter, then I guess you might die when Unikitty comes to your area. Please stand by for more updates.
I'll be emphasizing it with a furrowed brow.
This message was transmitted at the request by the United States government agency. We have discovered that all TV stations are now getting hacked and are showing a message from Unikitty. However, there has never been a TV hijack like this before. The message from Unikitty is on a black background with an image of Unikitty with black eyes staring and smiling to the viewer while heaven music plays. There was also a little text at the bottom of the screen in red letters saying "I'm coming for you. This is your end." The residents of Indiana are still panicking, and the riots got very startled and confused when they saw this message. Still, we urge all residents to stay in shelter and lock all doors and windows until further notice. Thanks for your cooperation.
This is a civil emergency. This individual named Unikitty that we have been warning you about is now killing a bunch of people with her robot. We urge all residents to stay in shelter and avoid all outdoor activities at this time. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. We'll give you more information about the